Hello guys, welcome back to Unbox 7. Today I brought another exciting review for you guys. As you can see, I got it like this. I received this packet like this, and this video is sponsored by Amazon. So I received this packet like this. I want to show you guys how I received this packet because it's coming from long distance. This product can make yummy waffle cone at home, and this is very simple product, so please make sure you watch this video till end. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, so please do it right now, and also turn on the notification bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, so you guys will get a notification for it. So I already removed the packaging from this product, and आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि बॉक्स जो है वो काफ़ी जो है थोड़ा सा ख़राब भी हो गया क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट जो है वो दूर से आ रही है. I already took out this product from the box, and it looked like the pan that we use basically to make our flat bread. First, I'm gonna show you how the pan looks like from all the sides. Then we will use it and make our yummy waffle for our ice cream cones. So summer is coming, so this is very good product. So you can keep it at home, you can buy it, and you can make your own yummy waffle at home. And all you have to do, just buy the ice cream tub, your favorite ice cream flavor. Take out the scoops and put on the top of your yummy homemade waffle cone. Inside of our pan there is some pattern on it, and you can just use it and make your yummy waffle. And the other two sides are just plain, they're simple, and you can use those sides to make pancakes. Here we have the stove. I'm gonna turn on the heat on the medium. Then we will put our pan on the stove and we will let it preheat for like about 10 to 15 seconds on medium heat. And after that we will pour our batter on the top of this. So I'm just gonna let it preheat for about 10 to 15 seconds. I already made the batter for it. One thing I want to tell you guys that this pan is non-stick and you don't need to put oil or you don't need to use butter on it. You can make your cones or tortillas without using any butter and oil on it. So the pan is almost preheated, and now I'm gonna put the batter on it. So here we have the batter. So here you can see the consistency of the batter. It should not be very thin or should not be very thick. So we will pour very little amount of this batter in the middle of the pan. As you can see in the video, I just poured 2 or 3 tablespoons of the batter in the middle of this pan, and after that I just closed the upper lid of this pan, and I will wait about 40 to 50 seconds on the medium heat. And you can see the batter is coming out, and I'm just gonna flip it over so the other side also get enough heat, and the both side has the same color, goldenish color, and both sides should be cooked. और आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि साइड्स पर से धुआं भी निकल रहा है. And we just waited for 40 to 50 seconds, and then I'm gonna open it and see how our waffle cone looks like. So the batter is fully cooked now, and you can also see the color of this waffle cone. The color is very good, like we needed exactly same goldenish color. At this point you need to wait about 20 to 25 seconds to let it cool for some time, and after that you can just take it off. Once you take it out of the pan, then you can just roll it, or you can shape it like a ball, and put your ice cream scoops in it and put your toppings in it and enjoy yummy homemade waffle cone with your ice cream. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next review. Till then, bye bye.